myself, Dr. Rashmi Dikshit. So, learning outcome. At the end of the session, students are able to explain what is data mining. They are able to explain different mining types, and they are also able to differentiate between data mining and web mining. So, let us begin the session. So, what is data mining? Data mining is a process to that attempt to discover pattern and hidden knowledge in the large data set in any system. Data mining is the process of sorting through the large data sets to identify patterns and relationships that can help to solve business problems through data analysis. This particular technique and tools, whatever the associate with data mining, helps enterprise to predict the future trends and make more informed business decisions. Actually, there are several steps in data mining process: data cleaning, data integration, data reduction, data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, knowledge representation. You can check here, data mining is one of the steps in these particular steps which becomes a research topic or the recent trend. Now we will move towards the next type of mining. What is web mining? Web mining method is used to analyze the data on activities carried out by the visitors to a website. We are now specializing from any type of data to the data which is present over the web. Web mining is the process of data mining techniques to automatically discover and extract information from web document and services. The main purpose of a web mining is discovering useful information from World Wide Web and its usage pattern. Means from data mining, now we are moving to the next, that is a web mining. Now, what are the applications of web mining? Web mining helps to improve the power of web search engine by classifying the web documents and identifying the web pages. It is used for web searching. For example, you can take Google, Yahoo, etc. and vertical searching, that is fast lens, becomes etc. Web mining is used to predict user behavior. Web mining is very useful for a particular website and e-services, for example, landing page optimization. Now, use of web mining. Now, the three main purposes based on web mining: content mining, structure mining and usage mining. We will see now the taxonomy: web mining, content mining, structure mining, usage mining. Under content mining, text mining, HTML mining, XML mining, image mining, multimedia mining. Under structure mining, static links, dynamic links, and usage mining, user profile, click stream analysis, purchasing behavior. So, you can see what things means, what are the content you are using or seeing on a web gives what are the direction in a research, what are the different direction for research or for finding out the user behavior. Content mining. Content mining involves the analysis of the content of the web pages to extract useful information. Search engine primarily performs the content mining activities to provide the links deemed interesting in a relation to keywords supplied by the users. Content mining methods can be tracked back to data mining problems for the analysis of text, both in free format or XML, HTML, images, multimedia content, anything. What is text mining? Text mining techniques are also useful for analyzing the emails received by the support center. Text mining analyses are usefully landed as a multi-category classification problem where the target variable is a subject category to which text refer. while explanatory variable correspond to a meaningful words contained in the text. Now the next thing based on a web mining is a structure mining. The aim of the structure mining analysis is to explore and understand the topological structure of the web using the links presented in the various pages. It is possible to create graphs where the nodes correspond to web pages and the oriented arcs are associated with links to other pages. Results and algorithms from graph theory are used to characterize the structure of the web, that is, to identify areas with a higher density of connections, areas disconnected from other, and maximal clicks, which are groups of pages with reciprocal links. Usage mining. Analysis or analysis aimed at a usage mining are certainly the most relevant from relational marketing standpoints. Why? Since they explore the path followed by navigators and their behavior during a visit to company's website. Methods for extractions of association rules are useful in obtaining correlations between the different pages visited during a session. In some instances, it is possible to identify a visitor and recognize her or him during the subsequent session. This happens if an identification key is required to access a web page or if a cookie enabling mechanism is used to keep the track of sequence of the visit. You can see the difference between data mining and web mining. The difference is carried out based on some points like application, target users, structure and problem time. In case of application, data mining is very useful for web page analysis, but web mining is very useful for a particular website and e-services. Target users, data scientists and data engineers for data mining, and data scientists along with a data analyst in case of a web mining. Now in web mining, to get a particular information, we are using explicit structure, but in web mining, to get the particular information from structured, unstructured, semi-structured web pages. What are the problem types associated with a data mining? Clustering, classification, regression, prediction, optimization and control. And in case of web mining, web content mining, web structure mining. Now move to the more big area somewhat, that is machine learning. We can see that both the topics are hand in hand. Machine learning give an output with a lesser data. Data mining needs a large data set to derive the association. Machine learning algorithms have self-learning capability. Data mining doesn't have self-learning capability. Machine learning algorithms can alter their rules according to the environment and provide solution to a specific problem. But in case of data mining requires human involvement for even a minor change in the rules. After implementation of the rule, a particular machine learning model can be used forever, and this is not possible in case of data mining. ML delivers more precise result. Data mining, we can't say directly doesn't provide a precise result, but as compared to ML, somewhat less. And machine learning involves neural network algorithm to produce the result, and data mining, as we know, that data warehouse, data mining engine, pattern assessment, technique, etc. etc. Now web crawler. Web crawler or a web spider, a computer program that is used to search and automatically index website content and other information over the internet. The program bots are commonly used to create the search engine index. Web crawler systematically browse web pages to learn what each page on the website about, how it is indexed, updated, retrieved when user makes a search query. Search engines like Google or Bing apply a search algorithm to data collected by web crawler to display the relevant information and website to respond to user searches. You can see here example, web crawler begin crawling or how it gives you the result. These are the basic structure of the web crawler. How do web crawler work? Web crawler work start at the list of known URL, retrieving and then categorizing the web pages. Before each page is retrieved, the web crawler look at the web pages robot.txt file, which specifies the rule for the bots that access the website, and these rules refine which page can be crawled and the links can be followed. And then next web page crawler finds, follow hyperlink that appear, how many pages links, the number of pages view, how the authority works. All these policies means are included in the crawling. Then web pages, the crawler stores the copy descriptive data called meta tags, then index it for the search engine to scan for the keyword, and this process then decides if the page will show up in the result or not. Examples, we know that most popular search engine have their own web crawler. Web crawler tools can be desktop based or a cloud based. These are the some examples of the web crawler. These are the references. Thank you.